Today, we will teach you how to use role management in AGen Software. You can find it in the User Manage at the left sidebar. After that, you can see the table for role management. There is a Add button on the top to add new role. Now, you just need to fill in the role name and the subsystem the role is able to access. Remember to at least choose one function in each subsystem or the role cannot be created. There is a Confirm button to add role and Cancel button to back to the role page. Now, let's talk about role management. The Edit button is at the top of the page. You can select the role you want to edit and click the Edit button. In this page, you can change your role name and the subsystem in AGen Software. After finished editing your role, there are also Confirm button to confirm edit or cancel to return to the role page. Next, let's talk about button permission. It is located beside the Edit button at the top. Click in to change the selected role permission. In this page you can see how the role are able to access the subsystem. You can limit the role by just clicking the button in the page. Click the Update button to update role button permission or cancel to return to the role page. Lastly, let's talk about Delete and Export. Delete button can help you delete the selected role. Export button can export the role management page in Excel, CSV format, even print the role management page.